Hello to all my beautiful viewers, all my beautiful subscribers, all my new subscribers who are just coming inside this channel. I want to say a big thanks to all of you for clicking and liking this channel and just keeping your faith with me in this channel. I want to say a warmly welcome to you all for another video today. This is Lura, the ultimate boss, all the way from West Africa, the Gambia. If you look around on YouTube, you will see a lot of people that are grinding on their channels, are trying to search for how to get more views and trying to struggle on how to get more views and how to get more subscribers. That is the most worried thing on YouTubers right now. If any of you right now watching this video and you are a small YouTuber and thinking of how to get more views and thinking of how to get more subscribers, this is the right video for you to click and watch. The first tip that I will be giving you on how to get more views on YouTube and get more subscribers is the power of playlist. On YouTube, if you check on the homepage or on your homepage, you will see a column where YouTube will allow you to arrange videos on a playlist so that these videos can play on a varieties of videos or varieties of a playlist, whereby if you click one of a video that you watch which is connected to the other video, after that video you watch, it will take you to another video and take you to another video on the same playlist that will connect the viewers to watch more of the content that is coming from that series of videos or that package of channel. So to create this playlist is very important. If you are creating a content or you're creating a series of movies, if the movie is called Ruhi Jake, if there is 1, 2, 3 to 5 episodes, if these episodes are inside your channel, you have to create a playlist for this content and arrange this playlist according to the number of uploads that you do every week. Every week that you upload a new upload, try to update your playlist and update it and so that people, when they click on the video, YouTube can still make the playlist available for them on the right hand side of the recommendation tab, so that they can click on the playlist, watch more of that series and or that episodes. Tip number 2 on how to get more views and subscribers is understanding your niche and understanding the community or the audience that you want to serve or the audience that you want to create your videos for. On the YouTube platform, you must have to specify on a content that you want to establish and people understand and know you about, and so that people can follow you on that type of content and know that this is the type of content that I will get if I get into this channel. And it will make them to subscribe and still click on the like button and comment and wait for your videos, that anytime that you upload they can still come back and on a weekly basis and understand that when I come to this channel I will have this content that I've been searching for on this channel, and it will make them easily to subscribe. Tip number 3 on how to get more views and subscribers is you have to understand the YouTube algorithm on your YouTube platform. Meaning that you have to understand the type of content that drives people into your channel and the type of content that people run away from your channel. If you are creating a content, for example, you are creating a content, you observe that this content I'm creating right now, people view more of this content on my channel and people like more of this of my channel, and this content is uploaded on my channel, my draft or my audience used to go up, then you have to concentrate on more of that content that you will be creating. If you are creating, for example, me on my other channel, I will still take an example on my Ultimate Media Gambia channel. I used to be creating the Task Dekabi. When I started creating the Task Dekabi, I see people coming inside the channel, viewing on it, and when I upload this content on Thursday, I see my channel going up. My audience used to come. I have a very good audience retention on my channel, so I used to keep on producing this more of this Task Dekabi onto my channel, and you will see people coming more and more, and it will be very easy for people to subscribe and wait for this content on your channel. So understanding your YouTube algorithm is very important. If you do not understand your YouTube algorithm, it will be very difficult for people to come back to your channel and subscribe and people to view on your content. So I will talk about the next step and the next tip on how to build your YouTube channel and how to get more subscribers and get more views on your YouTube channel. So you have to understand it. You have to schedule dates of uploads for your channel and for your content, so that people can understand that when I come to this channel, I will get this content that I want on this time and on this date. Uploading schedules are very important, because these upload schedules will make people come back to your channel, and it will make people remember your channel, and they will still know that when I go to this channel on this date, I will still have a content from this guy or content from this creator. Yeah. So that is a very important tip. Like knowing the dates of when to upload is very important. You don't have to upload all week round, but you have to choose a specific dates in the week. Maybe you can still upload two times a week or 3 times a week. It's not bad on YouTube. You just have to create that good content for the people out there. Inside cards. Inside cards are those pop-up messages that comes when the video is coming to the end, or in the middle of the video. You will see a little pop-up card that will come, that will direct you to go and watch a video related to that video that you are watching. When you are inserting a card inside a video, make sure that you put it in end of the video, because when you insert a card in middle of the video, people can still run away from the video they are watching and go to another video, which will decrease your watch time on that video, and it will make people to run away from that video they are watching. So when you are creating cards too, you have to understand that you have to put these cards in end of the video or start of the video. If you start the video, just start the video, just put the card there, or end of the video. The best side to put a card is when the video is coming to an end. Before the end screens will come, you can just direct them to a card or insert a card for them, so that they can watch a video that is related to the video that you are watching. Yeah, if you can watch my videos nowadays, I've started inserting cards in my videos, like before the end of the video or in the middle of the video. I used to insert cards talking about on the behind the scenes. If you want to watch the behind the scenes on Tasdakabi, you can click on the card on top and click on it and go watch that video. So cards are very important. Cards keep people inside your channel and make them watch more of your videos. I will create a special video on how to put cards on your video, so watch out for that video. It will come out soon. And I will also create a video on how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel too. Watch out for that video too, is coming soon. So there are so many things that we will talk about on this video. I will talk about the next tip on how to get most views and subscribers on YouTube. This is a very important tip that I will elaborate on and make people understand this. To be on YouTube, you have to be patient. You have to learn how to be patient on the YouTube platform. To be on YouTube determines a lot of stamina. It determines a lot of hard working. It determines a lot of pain that you need to take in and take out. You are gonna encounter a lot of problems, and you are gonna encounter a lot of obstacles that will eventually end up making you discouraged, or end up making you lose hope on your YouTube journey. But you don't have to lose hope. If you are there for a purpose on your YouTube channel, and there for a purpose on making that content that you are giving to the people, you still have to keep that faith, because when you are growing a YouTube channel, you need the patience to wait for those subscribers to come and wait for those viewers to come. It just takes time, but when the time comes, you are gonna understand this is the time for me to rise on YouTube. So it's very important for you to understand this. You have to get patient. You have to have this patience and wait for your time, and still work hard and create those videos for your viewers and subscribers, so that they can still come back to your channel and watch, subscribe, and so YouTube can share this content of yours on the suggested videos research menu, so that more people can watch on your videos and subscribe to your channel. So the next tip I'm going to talk about, the last and not the least tip I'm going to talk about on how to get more views and subscribers on YouTube in this year, is you have to verify your account. All the people that are watching this video right now, if you do not verify your account, you go and try and verify your account. On the first video that I did on how to customize your YouTube channel, full YouTube channel, I've shown you on how to verify your account. Verifying your YouTube channel allows YouTube to give you 15 minutes, more than 15 minutes video long to be uploaded on your channel. That will increase your watch time, because if you are still waiting for that monetization, subscribers and monetization partner program, you must have to have more watch time. To get this watch time, you must have to create videos longer than 15 minutes and be on live streams, do some live streams to connect with your subscribers and connect with your community. So for you to have all these tabs and all these facilities activated to your channel, you must have to verify your account. If you do not verify your account, know that YouTube is gonna take you time for you to blow on YouTube, because creating short videos can blow you, but when it comes to your watch time, it will be very difficult for you to reach to that 4,000 watch time on YouTube requirements for the YouTube partnership programs. This is just a short video that I did for you on how to get more views and get more subscribers on YouTube. If you want to see more of this content and more of this kind of videos on our channel, just click on a comment and send in your comments, and so that we can create more videos on how to get more views and subscribers, on how to grow your channel, and how to optimize your channel on YouTube in 2020. This is your boy Lura, coming to you from the Ultimate Tips and Tools YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button. Do not forget to touch the notification bell for all the content that you will be uploading. Thank you all.